Every individual experiences a multitude of emotions, thoughts, and behaviors every day. But have you ever stopped to wonder why? What propels our feelings, guides our thoughts, or drives our actions? Today, let's embark on a journey into the intricate and mesmerizing realm of psychology. When we talk about psychology, we're delving into the scientific exploration of the mind and its vast functions. It's not just about thoughts, it's about emotions, behaviors, perceptions, memories, and more. Every reaction, from the blink of an eye to a memory from years ago, is a manifestation of the mind's profound complexities. The seeds of psychology were sown in ancient civilizations, from the introspective reflections of Greek philosophers to the therapeutic practices in ancient Egypt. Over centuries, these rudimentary observations evolved, paving the way for psychology to transition from philosophical conjectures to a structured scientific discipline. The tapestry of psychology is woven with a variety of theories and schools of thought. From the introspective methods of structuralism to the conscious-driven theories of psychoanalysis and the observable behaviors in behaviorism, each school has uniquely contributed to how we perceive the human mind today. Like a tree with myriad branches, psychology spans across various specializations. Whether it's clinical psychology, which delves into mental health, or developmental psychology, which studies the growth of the human mind from infancy to old age, each branch has its own stories to tell, mysteries to solve, and knowledge to impart. Psychology isn't confined to textbooks or therapy rooms. Its ripple effect is felt throughout society. It shapes educational curriculums, informs business strategies, assists in medical treatments, and even influences legal systems. By understanding human behavior, we can craft a society that is more empathetic, efficient, and harmonious. Behind every psychological fact or theory is a meticulous method, an investigation. Researchers use various techniques, from controlled experiments to long-term observations, ensuring that psychology remains firmly rooted in evidence and objectivity. And all this while adhering to strict ethical standards to respect and protect every individual involved. Every time you watch a particularly persuasive advertisement or benefit from a therapeutic session, you're witnessing psychology in action. Its principles guide educators in teaching, help marketers in strategizing, and even aid designers in creating more user-friendly products. The real-world applications of psychology are as vast as they are impactful. From the cradle of civilization to the modern world, the quest to understand our own minds has been unending. As we continue this exploration, always remember that every emotion felt, every memory recalled, and every decision made is a testament to the wonder that is the human mind. If you're as fascinated as we are, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the captivating realm of psychology.